Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making vegan mayo. For this recipe, we're going to need oil. We're going to need Aqua fava, which is chickpea water from boiled chickpeas. You can use water from canned chickpea, store-bought. That's what I'm using today. Salt, black pepper powder, jello mustard, sugar, and vinegar. Alrighty, so for this we're gonna add our sugar, black pepper, and salt into the jar, our vinegar, in our aqua fava. This is the water from garbanzo beans. I used canned today because I didn't have time to boil it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix it together, and then we're going to blend it for like a little bit. See, this looks like this. That means everything is okay. Now we can add our oil little by little, not like too much. Once you're adding oil, you add oil like little by little, not too much at a time. At this point, maybe we could use our mustard in there, but we're gonna wait for a little. Okay, at this point you can see it's a little bit thickened. So as we're adding the oil, it's gonna make it more thick. So it seems like a little bit thick. So at this point you can add your oil, and we can add our mustard. Into it. But you never stop your blender, whatever you're using. You can use a whisk if you want to, but I think it's gonna take longer. As you see, look at that, it's shiny and it's good. As long as we are adding more oil, it's gonna be more thick, but at this point you can see it's working the way we want it. So you can add how much mustard you want, but never stop it. That's what is my own experience. We can add all the oil. As you see here, look at this, how thick is it? Look at this. So we can add our oil, and still we're gonna See, you can see it now. Look, our mayo is ready. It's thick enough. We can add more oil if you want to. I just 1 cup of oil. You can use any oil. Some people hate smell of the olive oil, so I don't mind. Look at this. Look at that. So it's good. Look at our mayo is looking so great. It's creamy and it's shiny. That's what you're looking for. If you want to, you can add more, but I think we're done. The main thing is you have to think your stuff is not separated. The very first point, you spin your vinegar, your salt, pepper and sugar, including the Aqua fava water. Spin it for like around 2 minutes. After you see that it's all merged to each other, so then you start pouring your oil little by little, like couple drops for few minutes, and then you can add more. See, look at this. Oh my god, it looks great. Let's pour in the jar or the bowl. Look at this. This is, oh, it's ready. Look at that. How creamy is it? You can check at this point if you want to add more mustard, you can, but I think I add plenty. But some people like less or more, they can choose according to their own taste. See, I am very happy with this. So only the trick is you have to run your blender for like couple minutes before you start adding the oil. That's the trick. Other than that, it's no big deal. Once you do that, you can use your whisk or you can use your food processor. You can use whatever. I feel like this is easier and quickest way, and we're good. At this point, we're good. So I'm using the same spoon, mustard one, but let's look at this. How creamy is it? Look at that. Just wanna show you here. Okay, it's all good. Let's plate it, or we can pour it in the jar or in the bowl, and we'll be back. Okay, here is our eggless, thick and creamy homemade mayo ready to eat. It's fresh and you know that what's in there. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you with the new video. Until then, enjoy.